Hello everyone. Now I am back with one more question for you all. So this is our today's question. The question is, if a upon x raised to 9 plus x raised to 9 upon a equals to 7. So this equation is given to us. So this part is given, a upon x raised to 9 plus x raised to 9 upon a equals to 7. So with the help of this given part, we need to find out the value of this. So what we need to find out is, find fourth root of a upon x raised to 9 plus fourth root of x raised to 9 upon a. So this we need to find out. So let's see how we will solve this type of question and how we will get the solution. So moving ahead with the solution part. So first of all, we will start with the given part. The given part is a upon x raised to 9, a upon x raised to 9 plus x raised to 9 upon a equals to 7. Now this part, a upon x raised to 9 plus x raised to 9 upon a, this part can be written as, so in place of this I am writing square root of a upon x raised to 9 the whole square plus square root of x raised to 9 upon a the whole square. So what I am doing, I am writing this part, a upon x raised to 9, I am writing it as square root of a upon x raised to 9 and the whole square. Now this we can write like this, because with this square this root will get cancelled off and this part is equal to this part. So in place of this I am writing this, and in place of this part I am writing this, and this side equals to 7 I am keeping as it is. Okay, I hope till here it is clear. Now in next step, this both I'll keep as it is, square root of a upon x raised to 9 the whole square plus square root of x raised to 9 upon a the whole square. Okay, so this both I have kept as it is, same. Now again I am adding two more terms. The terms are plus 2ab, middle term. Okay, so this I am trying to adjust in the form of a plus b the whole square. Okay, so this we will try to express in the form of a plus b the whole square identity. So we have a square plus b square. We need middle term, that is 2ab. So this will be our a and this will be our b. So 2ab. So square root of a upon x raised to 9 into square root of x raised to 9 upon a. Now this term we are keeping additional term. Okay, so this is not given, we are adding this term. So for balancing the equation we also need to subtract this term. So we will add this term plus 2ab middle term minus 2ab. So again we will write this part. So I will write a upon x raised to 9 into square root of x raised to 9 upon a and equals to 7. Okay, this equals to 7 I have written here. Now what I have done, I am trying to adjust this in the form of a plus b the whole square. So this will be our a square plus b square plus 2ab. Also I have written minus 2ab, because if you cancel this both, again you will get this part. So equation does not changes by adding this additional term. Okay, so this we are adding. Now what we will do, if you see this whole part, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab till here to here. Okay, this part is our identity of a plus b the whole square. Now here this square root of x raised to 9, square root of x raised to 9 and square root of a, square root of a, this will get cancelled. Similarly here also this and this and this will get cancelled. So we have this plus 2. So this is based on the identity of a plus b the whole square. Now what is our a? In this our a is square root of a upon x raised to 9 plus square root of x raised to 9 upon a. So this is our a and this is our b. Okay, so this way we will write it. So again This is a square, this is b square, and this plus 2. And this much part I am keeping together. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And this minus 2 I am keeping outside the bracket, and this side I am keeping 7 as it is. So this is now a square plus b square plus 2ab. So which identity it is? It is a plus b the whole square. So this whole part can be written as square root of a upon x raised to 9 plus square root of x raised to 9 upon a the whole square. So I hope till here it is clear. What we have done, we have tried to adjust this on the identity a plus b the whole square. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this whole part is a plus b the whole square. So in place of this I am writing this. This is our a and this is our b. Now this minus 2 we will shift that side. Okay, so this side we will get 7 plus 2 and that will give us 9. So here we are getting equals to 9. Now this square, when I will shift here, it will become square root of 9. So in next step, what we will get? We will get square root of a upon x raised to 9 plus square root of x raised to 9 upon a equals to 3. This square I have removed, and this square when you shift this side, it will become square root of 9, and square root of 9 is 3. So I have written directly 3 in place of 9. So I hope till here it is clear to you. So how we are getting equals to 3. So till here it is clear. Now further in this what we will do. So moving ahead. Okay. So after this step what we will do. So now we have got this part. I am writing it here again. Square root of a upon x raised to 9 plus square root of x raised to 9 upon a equals to 3. So till here we have already done. Now in this part again we will show it as square of something because we want fourth root of a upon x raised to 9. So we need to adjust this part. So how we can show this? Already we have square root. Now this portion can be written as fourth root of a upon x raised to 9 the whole square plus fourth root of x raised to 9 upon a the whole square. So if you take fourth root, now I am squaring. So this fourth root if you square up, what you are going to get? You are going to get the same thing, square root of a upon x raised to 9. So the value of this does not change. You can write this as this. So I have taken fourth root of a upon x raised to 9 the whole square. Now if you solve this, fourth root means 1 upon 4 and this square is given. So if you cancel, you get 1 upon 2 means you get square root of a upon x raised to 9. So by writing it this way, the meaning remains same. So again we are trying to adjust this on identity a plus b the whole square. So again this way we will take. So this will be our a square and this will be our b square. Now we want middle term, that is plus 2. Again if you write this in multiplication, this a and a, this and this will get cancelled. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we are doing similar steps. So this whole part plus 2. Again we need to add negative 2. Okay, to keep it balanced, and this side we have equals to 3. So whatever we have done here, I hope you understood. This step what we have done in the beginning, the same step we are repeating again. Okay, so same steps we are repeating again to make it a perfect square. Okay, to make it in the form of a plus b the whole square. So now again this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this whole part is again a plus b the whole square. So what is our a? Here our a is fourth root of a upon x raised to 9 and our b is fourth root of x raised to 9 upon a. So this is a plus b and the whole square of this. So this whole part, okay, this part, let me show you. So this whole portion till here to here, this is based on identity this part a plus b the whole square. So this way we can write it. Now this negative 2 I am shifting there, so it will become positive 2. So 3 plus 2. Now in next step what we will do, fourth root of a upon x raised to 9 plus fourth root of x raised to 9 upon a, the whole square equals to 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now this square we will shift that side, so it will become root. So therefore our next step will be fourth root of a upon x raised to 9 plus fourth root of x raised to 9 upon a is equal to square root of 5. So this will be our final answer, square root of 5. So this we were about to find out. See, look at the question. What we need to find out? Fourth root of a upon x raised to 9 plus fourth root of x raised to 9 upon a, and we have got that value. Fourth root of a upon x raised to 9 plus fourth root of x raised to 9 upon a is equal to root 5. So this is our final answer for this type of complicated question. So this was our question, and this way we will solve it, and this will be our final answer. Okay, so this will be our solution. I hope you understood. Thank you.